Hi, today I will invite you to know more about ProWritingAid. So, first of all, you can browse it on the internet and go to ProWritingAid.com. Let's try it for free. So, ProWritingAid have free and premium, but don't worry, the difference between the free version and premium version is minor. In Premium, you can edit your documents without limited words and can be installed as application in your laptop. But in free version, you can only edit 500 words at a time and open it on the website. But here's a trick: if you don't want to buy premium version but still want to check all your documents that contains more than 500 words. Let's say, if your writing slang is 1000 words, then just copy the 500 words first and then copy the other 500 words later. How to use? First of all, upload your document. Let me give an example from me uploading my writings document. So, as you can see from the ribbon of icons up the top, ProWritingAid provides editorial features to the editors. It assesses SPAG, spelling, punctuation, and grammar, which is in total 16 problems. If you try to click the summary, it will give you the summary of your writings report. It reports about those 16 several features. You can read it and see how your writing looks. It also gives you suggestions to make your writing skills better. After reading the summary, you can go to the other ribbons if you want to check more for the details because it highlights your writing more specifically. Let's click this part, Style. As you can see, there are some words that are underlined. You can click it and revise it to make your writing style better, as it gives you better suggestions. Next, we can go to the grammar part. The same as the previous, it gives you correction for the right grammar. This is the example. Next, let's click the thesaurus. You can see possible replacements for nouns, verbs, adjectives, and adverbs that might give you other alternatives that can be better solution. Next, go to the overuse. You can see your Word documents which words that are overused. On my paper, the word that and have may have overuse, and this website tries to give suggestions to consider removing some parts of them. Next, combo. Combo check is you can combine your favorite reports of those features into one report. It is basically similar with the summary one. Move on to the repeat parts. First, you can also check how frequent word phrases that are repeated. Especially for the one-word phrases, it also can be checked as how many vocabulary that you use frequently. Next, click to the echoes. You are shown the repeated words that are underlined, and you can replace it with the suggestion there. Now, let's move on to the structures part. First, you can check your sentence structure. This website is trying to inform us how many sentences are in each category. It starts with a subject, an adverb, a gerund, an infinitive, a subordinate conjunction, and etc. It is good so you can check whether your writing structures have various types or not. Next, also for the length, it can be measured too. Next, to the transitions. So transitions help you to organize your ideas. Writing that is short on transition is often hard to follow, so it is suggested to give transition that above 25% of your writing. Next, move on to the readability. First, readability provides a series of readability measures for your text, so you can determine if it is suitable for your intended audience. Next, sticky sentences. Sticky means that it slows the reader to read, so you need to avoid them for the better readability. Next, we have the last icon to see, which is more reports. As you can see, there are a lot of components too that can be checked one by one for more details. Last thing, for the setting part, you can organize the language and writing style by yourselves. Depends on what you need to. In conclusion, this website is very useful since it has complete features that will guide you to improve your writing skills. And it's also easy to use since you just need to click the features one by one and all of them give suggestions for better writing. Now, let's discuss the benefits of using ProWritingAid. Actually, this website is beneficial not only for students but also the teachers. First, it is convenient and practical for the teachers and also for the students. The teachers can set a percentage of students' mistakes when the students check their writing on the website. As it is known, ProWritingAid has 16 problems such as style, grammar, pronoun, thesaurus, and the others. Second, teachers in teaching and learning process can create a good atmosphere in classroom to make editing writing more effective, meaningful, and interesting. Because sometimes in writing class, the students will be bored if they just listen to the teachers while explaining the theories of how to write good essays. By using this website, it is colorful and simple. You can thoroughly know what features of writing that are need to pay attention to. The most important is the learning goal can be achieved. ProWritingAid is expected to be the best solution for resolving the problems that exist in learning writing processes.